GBPAUD, let's go. I'm gonna say this at the beginning of the video because it's very important. A man can only have one good laugh in a day. After that, you gotta be serious the whole time. So get it out of your system. Ha ha ha. Get it out of your system. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We're serious right now, boys. GBPAUD. We're gonna start on the daily. Follow procedures, as you know, from left to right, gents. From left to right. We can even start on the weekly. You get me? We can even start on the weekly. We can even start on the weekly and see what the weekly says. But for time's sake, I'm gonna start on the daily. We've been coming in down. It's more like Euro AUD, to be honest. It's more like Euro AUD. We've been bearish within here. I'm just gonna go straight in, gents. I'm just gonna go straight in because we're serious right now. Just gonna go straight in. We've been bearish within this zone right here. We've been bearish within the zone right here. Right here, as you can see, we bearish, we bearish. So I'm just gonna move into the 4 hour. Same thing, gents, same thing. And just another tip, I think I'm gonna say this at the end of the video. Going into the 4 hour, we're gonna go from left to right. You see all these structures. I'm gonna analyze them for you. Don't worry. I'm gonna analyze them for you. Don't worry. Just do it for you, gents. We've been bullish. For bullish, you know I use blue, gents. We've been bullish within here. Okay, I think I should keep the red and just create something else and make it blue, so I can just copy paste, you know. So for blue, I'm gonna use bullish. Let's put this somewhere here. So we've been bullish, gents, as you can see. Bullish right here. And then we broke structures. We broke structures right here, and this is the move that caused the break of those structures right there. So this was our lowest point, forming this highest point right here. And as you can see, we didn't get a body close within here. So here we could have been looking for buys right here. As you can see, we're looking for buys right here. We did retrace within this zone. Here because we were bullish within here, gents. Can you see what I'm saying? We were bullish within here, so we were right to be looking for buys to the upside to come and challenge this high. And as you can see, we just came in to the niche, bruh, and we wicked this high. We didn't get a body close below it, above it. What did we do instead? We came down and broke this low. Right here. As you can see, we got a body close. I'm just gonna use this line real quick. As you can see, this low right here, we got a body close, forming a lower low right here. So now structures turned bearish. Within here. Oh my god. Okay. Structures turned bearish within here and up here. So we were bearish now within here because what did we do? We broke this low, like so. We broke this low, like so. So going into red now, when we broke this low, we did retrace up to here, and then what did we do? We ended up breaking lows. So you need to understand that when we're breaking lows, we are breaking supports. We are turning bearish. We are breaking supports. We are turning bearish. So breaking this low, we came in down. So now this is our trading range. Like so, this is our trading range. So using the fib right here, you can see that price retraced up until the 88% range right there. It did retrace up until the 88% range. And you know what I like to do? I like to take this line of this low. We did break this low right here. We broke this low, and this is the highest candle that formed that low right there. This one right here. Let me just zoom in for you guys. Like, this is something that's just like, this is the candle, right, that formed this low right here in this trading range, bounced off, and we broke it. So when we retrace, we are more likely to come into this area of this candle that formed the previous low. So what I'm saying is, when we bounce off and break now this low, it is more likely for us to come back and retest this point right here, this one that formed the low of this thing. If we break off now, let me just go to the daily, show you guys. Weekly. Okay, weekly. We are most likely, okay, zoom in, when we break this thing. Oh, where's the, oh my god, oh yeah, it's supposed to be here. See, when we break this low, I'm just gonna go to the, so I want to drag this line down. When we break this thing right here, we are most likely to do this and retrace up until this zone, and then come down like that, like so. So then I want you to understand my analysis, gents. So now we are currently within this trading zone right here and here, right here and here, according to the daily. As you can see, according to the daily, we are bearish. We are bearish within this huge trading zone, and we are bearish within these structures. Oh, I was on the 4 hour. Yeah, we are bearish here. We are bearish here. But as you can see, also just to draw to your attention, we've been forming lows and lower highs, lows and lower highs, lows and lower highs, lows and lower highs. You get me? I don't want you to neglect these structures, because you see, when you're trading, gents, all these things matter, because now you can see we broke this structure right here. We broke the structure right here and got our body close. And what did we do? The high of this point right there, we came in and we were waking it like here. This is the high. Look at the structure. We came in and we were waking that right here, waking that, and going bullish, because we got a body close above the zone. You see, so you can find trades, guys. That's what I want to say. You can find trades. You can find trades, bro, as long as you follow structures, guys. As long as you follow structures, please, bro. I'm telling you, as long as you follow structures. Hey, so going into the 1 hour, I'm just gonna delete all the mess I made, but I hope you are getting this. I hope you're analyzing with me, you're going with me, you're following me as I'm deleting these. You get me? Because once you get this, bruh, you're gonna see a huge change in your trading, bruh. A huge change in your trading. So going into the 1 hour, we know that the 4 hour is bearish right here. 4 hour is bearish right here. I'm just gonna leave it like that, leave it at that. Because why are we bearish? Because we broke this right here, body close, and then structures changed. Structures were bullish, and then this is where structures changed. You get me? This is where structures changed. That's why we're bullish right now within this zone. Oh, sorry, within this zone right here. And this zone down here, we are bearish. 4 hour is bearish, guys. That's why you're getting this sell-off. Huge momentum. Huge momentum. Okay, going into the 1 hour, as you can see, we've been forming bullish structures, breaking highs. Go for blue. Okay, I'm about to end the video. And you know what happens when I'm about to end the video? I leave you guys with juicy predictions right here. Get me? And then what did we do? We broke this low right here. And then which point am I gonna choose for that? It's the highest point. So within here we are bearish. So now I'm gonna switch from blue to red again. Bearish, blue to red, because we bearish now. So 1 hour is bearish. 1 hour is bearish. 4 hour is bearish. Daily is bearish. You get me? We are bearish within this trading zone. But what do we do, guys? We don't neglect these structures right here. Look at this. This is the nature of structures. We don't neglect this right here. This is the nature of structures, because we might retrace into these zones. You see right here, we retraced into these zones. You see right here, we retraced into the high, gents. Right here, let me just zoom in. This is why I love this thing, bruh. You see, this is the highest candle that formed the high. I'm just gonna draw a line up here. You see what price did when it came here? It wicked, and now it's reacting. So guys, like, just zooming into the 1 hour, I am bearish within here. I'm just gonna take this thing. I am bearish within here, guys. I don't even want to cap. I am bearish within here, and I'm looking for sells. AUD USD, I'm looking for sells. AUD USD, I'm looking for sells. If this thing, ending the video, if this thing it's gonna rally down and come back up here, retrace, and then plow all the way down, sells. So this is where I might sell this thing. But one thing I've started doing, it's still new, it's still fresh, I'm still testing it out. One thing I've started doing, the same process I'm doing on the daily, 4 hour and 1 hour, I've started to do that on the 15-minute, 5-minute, and 1 minute. You understand? So now I'm taking the analysis from the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, and applying it, seeing the charts the way I'm seeing them now on the 15-minute, 5-minute, and 1 minute. So you don't neglect this analysis. You carry it down to the lower time frames to get those entries, because the 15-minute also has trading zones. Within those trading zones are within trading zones. You get me? So that's what I started doing right now. Or for a buy side, I'm gonna be looking at a break here. Just gonna turn blue. A break here. Turn blue. A break here. And a retest like so, and push higher. Because it's two scenarios. That's why I let the market dictate where it's gonna go. So if this thing can sell off and come, I'll take a sell down here. If this thing can decide to rise, I'll take a buy down here and go up. That's it for GBPAUD, guys.